0 injuries. Some say it's impossible. It can't be sustained. But at Day & Zimmermann, we know better. We know it's possible because we've done it at multiple sites over millions of hours worked. We know that the most important thing we can do is send our people home the same way they come to work every morning. 0 injuries? We know we can do it.
In my younger days, I thought injuries happen. As I started to realize that we can drive injuries down, I also started to see that there's no injury that I've ever come across that we could not have avoided. Because we can achieve it, we have achieved it, and we will achieve it across all of our workforce.
I believe that all injuries are preventable. You've really got to have the mindset and get it into your heart to prevent all injuries. All workers really need to own it in their heart to make sure that we can prevent all injuries.
The best thing about the relationship with D&Z is the mindset towards safety, and we are going to expect our people to work the way we work, to do the things that we do to create a safe work environment.
D&Z give us all the opportunities to be safe. They give our guys the opportunity to inquire about safety. Safety personnel is good, management is good. And these guys, they're really concerned about us getting home safely to our families, make sure we safety on the job.
I mean, an injury is one of those things that, you know, can affect you, but it's not just about you, it's about your family as well. It's about your coworkers, it's about your family and your ability to provide for your family. And it affects them as much as it does you.
We've had great success driving it from numbers of yesteryear to world-class numbers of today, but we're not at 0.
It was a medical condition and a massive coronary. I will not forget the comment from one of the carpenter foremen who was in the crew and a very close friend to the victim. Without hesitation, responded to my question, could you go back, are we in a position now to where we feel comfortable that we can go back and engage and work without issue? He abruptly said, Fred, I'll answer that question. Eric was a close friend to many of us. And as we go back to work, we will not, we're gonna work on scaffolds that we worked on with Eric. You know, there's gonna be an Eric memory tomorrow, the next day, the next week, the next month. It's not going away. When that occurs, we'll stop, we'll step back, we'll engage the crew, we'll work through the issue, and when we're prepared to re-engage in a safe and a focused direction, we will do that. What I took away from this experience is it's critical we deal with them. It's critical that when we have briefings that we care about one another, our brother, our peer. It's important that as we do a morning brief, that we guy up, that when somebody is asked a question, how are you personally, physically today, right? That we answer it fair and we answer it honest.
You've all contributed to the success of Day & Zimmermann in the safety arena. I ask you today to sign up, according to the Oz principle, sign up to solve our problem, to see it, be part of it, consider it your job, my job, all of our jobs, to drive this thing to 0 and imagine a day that we can say to our clients and to our employees, we don't have injuries. Why not 0?
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 Why not 0? Why not 0?
Why not 0?
Why not 0?
Why not 0?
Why not 0? Day and Zimmermann. We do what we say.